Hello everyone, today we're diving into the world of kitchen innovation with the SEATAO 90 Kappa Vacuum Sealer, a game changer for preserving your food's freshness. This upgraded vacuum sealer is perfect for dry, moist, and even liquid foods, thanks to its unique liquid sealing mode, making it ideal for soups, juices, and wines. Equipped with a powerful 90 kilopascals vacuum pump, it completes the sealing process in just 6 to 12 seconds, while the built-in LED touchscreen keeps you informed every step of the way. The patented cooling system ensures continuous operation for over 200 uses without overheating, and the double-layer heat sealing strips guarantee a safe and consistent seal every time. With its easy lock handle, you can secure the lid with just one hand, and the sleek stainless steel design with a removable drip tray makes cleanup effortless. Certified by ETL for safety and quality, this vacuum sealer also comes with a comprehensive set of accessories, including an extra foam gasket, vacuum rolls, and bags, all backed by a generous 5-year warranty. So, if you're looking for a reliable and efficient way to keep your food fresh, the SEATAO Vacuum Sealer is your perfect kitchen companion. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.